Hello friends, welcome to the channel. In this video we are going to see about cabinet minister list, their portfolios and their constitution assemblies. This will be very useful for railway and SSC examinations. So let's move on to the video. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and click on the like button. Watch the video fully without skipping. Ministry of Defence, Sri Rajnath Singh. His constitution assembly is Lucknow, which is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. Judicial capital of Uttar Pradesh is Prayagraj. Governor of Uttar Pradesh is Srimati Anandi Ben Patel. Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh is Sri Yogi Adityanath. Next one, Minister of Home Affairs and Minister of Cooperation is Sri Amit Shah. His constituent assembly is Gandhinagar, which is the capital of Gujarat. The Chief Minister of Gujarat is Bhupendra Bhai Patel. Governor of Gujarat is Sri Acharya Devarat. Next one, Minister of Road Transport and Highways, Sri Nitin Jairam Gadkari. His constitution assembly is Nagpur, which is in Maharashtra. The capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. Governor of Maharashtra is C.P. Radhakrishnan. And Chief Minister of Maharashtra is Devendra Fadnavis. Next one, Minister of Finance and Corporate Affairs, Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman. She is the Rajya Sabha MP from the state of Karnataka. The capital of Karnataka is Bengaluru. Chief Minister of Karnataka is Siddaramaiah. And the Governor of Karnataka is Thawar Chand Gehlot. Next one, Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare and Minister of Rural Development is Sri Shivraj Singh Chauhan. His constituent assembly is Vidisha, Madhya Pradesh. Capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh is Mohan Yadav. And Governor of Madhya Pradesh is Mangubai Changbai Patel. Next one, Minister of External Affairs is Dr. Subramaniam Jaishankar. He is a Rajya Sabha MP from the state of Gujarat. Capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. Chief Minister of Gujarat is Bhupendra Bhai Patel and the Governor of Gujarat is Sri Acharya Devarat. Next one, Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Minister of Chemicals and Fertilizers is Sri Jagat Prakash Natta. He is a Rajya Sabha MP from the state of Gujarat. Next one is Minister of Housing and Urban Affairs, Minister of Power is Sri Manohar Lal. His constituent assembly is Karnal, which is in Haryana. Capital of Haryana is Chandigarh. Chief Minister of Haryana is Nayab Singh Saini. Governor of Haryana is Sri Bandaru Dattatreya. Next one, Minister of Heavy Industries and Minister of Steel is Sri H.D. Kumaraswamy. His constituent assembly is Mandya, which is in Karnataka. The capital of Karnataka is Bengaluru. Chief Minister of Karnataka is Siddaramaiah and the Governor of Karnataka is Thawar Chand Gehlot. Next one, Minister of Commerce and Industry is Sri Piyush Goyal. His constituent assembly is Mumbai North, which is in Maharashtra. CM of Maharashtra is Devendra Fadnavis. Governor of Maharashtra is C.P. Radhakrishnan. Capital of Maharashtra is Next one, Minister of Education is Sri Dharmendra Pradhan. His constituent assembly is Sambalpur, which is in Odisha. Capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Chief Minister of Odisha is Mohan Charan Majhi. Governor of Odisha is Haribabu Kambapati. Next one, Minister of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises is Sri Jitan Ram Manji. His constituent assembly is Gaya, which is in Bihar. Capital of Bihar is Patna. Governor of Bihar is Arif Muhammad Khan. Chief Minister of Bihar is Nitish Kumar. Next one, Minister of Ports, Shipping and Waterways is Sri Sarbananda Sonowal. His constituent assembly is Dibrugarh, which is in Assam. Capital of Assam is Dispur. Governor of Assam is Lakshman Prasad Acharya. Chief Minister of Assam is Himanta Biswa Sharma. Next one is Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment is Dr. Virendra Kumar. His constituent assembly is Tigamgarh, which is in Madhya Pradesh. Capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. CM of Madhya Pradesh is Mohan Yadav. Governor of Madhya Pradesh Mangubhai Chaganbhai Patel. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, please click on the like button. This will be a boost up for me for putting up many videos like this. This video will be surely useful for railways and SSC examinations. Thank you. See you in the next video.